Hey folks, Justin from Platypus Fishing Lines. Platypus Australia is an iconic Australian brand, and it's actually Australia's oldest fishing tackle brand, dating back to 1898. So in 1898, a Scottish rope maker in Australia, as we Aussies do, hassled him to make fishing lines. So those early fishing lines back in 1898 were like a rope line, a fine rope. And the name platypus actually came about because he made fishing line and he also made rope. So a platypus is good on the land and also good in the water. So from those early cord lines, platypuses come through the monofilament age with cutting edge monofilament lines such as Super 100, low stretch and pre-test, and then picked up with the braids and had some cutting edge braids early on in Australia with Bionic and P8. So a lot of iconic, well-known brands, and also product that is made right here in Australia by Aussies for Aussie anglers, and also sent out there globally where a lot of records are set on platypus lines as well. So if you want to check out a fishing line, you've got a reel to spool up. Platypus has been Australian owned and operated family business making fishing line right here in Australia for well over 120 years. So stay tuned for more coming soon. If you need to get out there and spool up one of your reels, make sure you check out that range of platypus, spool up with a local and stay connected to your catch. Fish on.